Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by importing your mesh into Pine Ridge so it behaves predictably. First, make sure your file is FBX or OBJ and export it at 1:1 scale. This prevents sizing issues. Once done, open the editor, choose Assets Import, and set units to meters. You should assign a basic material and give the mesh a clear name. This helps later when you search or replace assets, and enabling collision early saves time during placement. Now you place and align your meshes into the Pine Ridge scene. Use grid snapping at 0, 5 or 1. 0 to lock positions. Toggle rotation snap to 15 degrees for neat orientation. Make sure to adjust the pivot point in the mesh inspector so the bottom sits flush with terrain or connects accurately to other parts. Once you have a correct pivot, duplicate and transform copies to create modular structures faster. This approach finish by optimizing and validating your meshes so Pine Ridge runs smoothly. Combine static meshes into single draw calls when they share materials, and bake light maps at 512 to 1024 for good visual quality without excess cost. Set LODs and enable occlusion culling for distant objects to boost frame rate. Before you wrap up, test collisions and run a quick playtest. If something goes wrong, reload the backup scene you exported earlier. That single backup often fixes placement or lighting errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.